a 3-pack of minis that actually kind of make sense. Kinda. Because it says it's the next gen 3-pack set, but we're only getting 2 next gens. But you could say that Gale Beaford is a next gen, so kind of makes sense, kind of doesn't. They should just call it the Piston Cup 3-pack, because that would still make no sense. Anyways, so let's, without further ado, let's start off this review. So I got this from Getmecollectibles. If anyone does actually ask where I get this from, seriously, if I'm going to Getmecollectibles, you guys know. Taking a closer look at the package, Mattel 3+, Mini Racers logo, we can see 3 awesome vehicles. Awesome vehicles, Jackson Storm. Why is he in this pack? Just because Gale Beaford is there, he has to be in the pack. Yeah, sure. They could have just done a Haulers 3-pack. That would have made more sense. Like, Gale Beaford, Mac, and I guess the Dynaco one would have made more sense. Anyways, we got, of course, the 3 usual artwork characters. Still Mater, remove him please. Cars logo, metal. On the back, it says Next Gen Racers Series. Not a racer, just a Next Gen hauler. New for 2021, Gale Beaford, can't wait to open this. Reviewed this one already, reviewing these ones soon, because they were in case A, not too important right now. So yeah, right back with this guy, pack opened all up. Again, do you know what would have been made way much more sense, Mattel? If they added Laura Spinwell or Ray Weatherham. That pack would have made more sense, because then it would have been a Jackson Storm Team 3-pack. But yeah, so, George Newin, 3rd release, because he was released in a 10-pack and then a single. This is the one we had before, this is the one we have already. They are literally the same. They are literally the same. Go check out my review on that one. The only thing that would be different would be the date codes. So yeah, don't need him, straight into the box. Whee! Jackson Storm, don't even need to talk about him. He is the same. Same colours, same prints, same literally everything. They could have just added the champion version of Jackson Storm. But oh well, that's Mattel for you. So move him aside. And now for the new release. Gale Beaford. We did get a hauler set for which I didn't bring because it's pointless. But yeah, look at how chunky she is. I love it. It's heavy as well. But yep, this is my first technically review on Gale, so pretty cool. Nice expression, lights. There's her nose, grill thingy, eyes. Her S logo seems to be like all the way over to the right or left this time. However you're looking at it, the left. But yeah, side, Piston Cup champion, I guess, on the side. But she's not the Piston Cup champion, Jackson Storm is. Why is it on her? 2.0. Of course, the rims. Blue line across. Here's the back. Would be cool if they actually added like the connector, because that would be like, then we can have the whole mini hauler set. And here is the base. Pretty sweet. So yeah, that's another review for you guys. Still got 3 left to do. What are your thoughts on this 3-pack? My favourite is Gale, then George, then Jackson. Just because. And of course, check out my other 2 videos. Again, subscribe because most of you aren't. Hit that bell notification down below. Till the next one. Peace, guys.